Hello guys, this is unboxing and review of the Rado HyperChrome reference number R32502313. I bought it from Tata Click Luxury. It came in a very nice box with some ribbon on it, so giving that special treatment. Rado is a great company for you if you are into entry-level luxury watches. So if you don't want to spend $7,000-8,000 and you want really high quality, go for Rado brand. So Rado HyperChrome is Rado's answer to Omega Aquaterra and Rolex Dated or Datejust series. The difference is it costs almost 1/6 of what Omega charges, so for its Aquaterra, or 1/10 of what Rolex charges for its Datejust. It's about 1/5 the cost of Rolex Oyster Perpetual 36mm series, but this is a bit on the bigger side, bigger size. It has case diameter of 44.9 mm, of almost 45 mm, so it's not for those who have tiny petite wrists. The glass material is the fire crystal, which you will see very soon. So this is the standard boxing of Rado, nothing special. Black box, looks very professional. You get this nice leather pouch containing your warranty card in a credit card style, black credit card style box cards. You can see that I bought it just 2 to 3 days back. You also get a manual. So Rado has reduced the size of its manual. Earlier it used to be super hefty. My Diastar came with a very hefty user manual, and this is nice cloth which you can use to clean your Rado. And mind you, you will be meaning it a lot because of its shiny surface. The watch has a very shiny surface, and here is the watch. And my god, it looks so good. I bought the one with the green dial, looks super nice. It also comes in blue dial. It's a quartz watch, not an automatic, and I wanted a quartz watch where I do not have to change the time every day. I don't have to set the time every day. At the same time, I want the steel strap, which looks super fancy. This is Rado's answer to Omega Aquaterra and Rolex Oyster Perpetual series. Looks so good, and it changes color in sun. It's a sunburst style. It has date feature and looks so good in sunlight. Look at the bracelet, so nice. It comes with 2 years warranty as well, and look at that Rado. Very nice. The monoblock case of the ceramic watches in this new Rado family represent a breakthrough in technology. It also represents a step forward in design. This watch is lightweight and extremely comfortable to wear, and eye-catchy too. I mean, it's all about the design. It's a dress watch, but I'm going to wear it every day. The link here, as you can see, is made of titanium, and it also has a little adjustment feature. So if you're going to wear it, if somebody else is going to wear it with even thicker wrists, they can easily do micro adjustments here. As you can see, it's made of titanium, so very high build quality. It looks so good. HyperChrome, it's definitely super chromy, I would say. Looks very nice in person, and here's it on my wrist. I'm yet to get two links removed, so that is why it is a little bit loose on my wrist, but you get the idea. I mean, it looks super fancy, totally opposite of what I wear every day. That is a diver's watch by Seiko. Series 5 is a great watch, but look at this. This looks so much more expensive. I once tried Aquaterra in the store, and this looks at par with it, I would say. The only gripe is this is quartz movement, and if you are not into that, it's not for you. But it's a great quartz watch, I would say. It tells the time accurately, and look at it. It changes colors in sun. I think the green one looks better than the blue one, but make sure you do not get the black one, which is super boring, I would say. Also, it has a very clean look. I wanted to try the one with the chronograph, but instead I went for this one. It's cheaper as well. It looks sometimes simple watches look much better than the complex chronograph ones. I'm very satisfied. This is my fourth Rado. I have two Diastars, one true thin ceramic and one HyperChrome. Rado should start sponsoring me. So that's all about it. Hope you like this unboxing and review of the Rado HyperChrome. Give it a like, share, support, and say subscribe for more watch and technology reviews. Bye bye.